Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have in front of me the new Steam Deck Dock Pro, created by the guys over at Skull & Co. If you're not familiar with them, they've been creating gaming accessories for a while now, including their popular Nintendo Switch dock and also the Nintendo Switch grip case, which I absolutely love. They've now branched into Steam Deck accessories and have kindly provided me with their Steam Deck Dock Pro to take a look at. Now, full disclosure, this was provided to me free of charge, but this isn't a paid for review and all opinions are my own. So what do I think? Well, I'm Chris the Steam Deck guy, let's get on with it. First things first, let's get it out of the box. The version I have includes the dock itself and the detachable Core Drive Pro, which I'll be talking about shortly. You can buy the power supply separately, but I'll be using the official power supply that comes with the Steam Deck. Now let's take a look at the dock itself. It's made from a black plastic, which doesn't feel as high quality as the official dock, but it gets the job done. It's designed for portability, so the backrest is detachable and then you just slide it into place. The Steam Deck fits nicely and is well supported, with added vents at the rear so that it doesn't block airflow. It also has rubberized padding to protect the Steam Deck and prevent it from moving around, which is a nice touch. Moving to the rear, since this is the Pro version, we get support for up to 4K 60Hz via HDMI and free USB 3.0 ports for connecting peripherals such as keyboard and mouse, external hard drives, or whatever else you need. And of course, we get the USB-C power input. What you'll notice is missing is an Ethernet port. For me, this isn't a big deal because I use Wi-Fi, but it's something to keep in mind, and it's up to you to decide if that's an important feature for your setup. A feature that's far more important to me is the ability to dock my Steam Deck with a case, and this is where this dock excels over the official dock. The base is wider so that it can accommodate a Steam Deck in a case, and the USB-C connector is longer, making a solid connection to the Steam Deck. This is simply not possible with the official dock unless you buy additional adapters. Now, one small complaint I have is that I wish the USB cable was slightly longer, but other than that, I have no complaints. As I mentioned at the start of the video, a unique feature of this dock is that it's modular, and the core drive can be removed and used on its own. It can even be used for other devices such as mobile phones, tablets, and even the Nintendo Switch, making it a great portable USB hub. You can actually connect this directly to your Steam Deck. Now, it does block the vents slightly, but this is perfectly workable. But you can also detach the case from the dock itself. So you slide off the cover and then you can remove the cable attachment, and then you can simply use that to connect the core drive to your Steam Deck. And you can actually play games this way. You could easily connect the HDMI directly to this and actually play on your TV using the Steam Deck as a remote control. And if you're using the Deckmate or the new JSOX case, you could actually attach this to the rear of the case. Overall, I'm impressed with the Skull & Co dock. It offers more flexibility than the official dock, and the modular design is a great added bonus. The only downside is the lack of an Ethernet port, but that's a minor issue for me personally. If you're in the market for a Steam Deck dock and you want the added flexibility and portability, then I highly recommend checking this one out. I'll have a link in the description if you want to pick one up. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and subscribe for more Steam Deck content. And as always, thanks for watching.